Investors in the manufacturing sector have been encouraged to take advantage of tax breaks at the special economic zones to set up manufacturing plans. Exclusively speaking to KBC, Industrialization Principal Secretary, that is Juma Mohwana, says Kenya needs more finished products to certify demand in the European Union, soon after Kenya and the EU signs the Economic Partnership Agreement.
Kenya and the European Union are set to sign an economic partnership made this month. Under the agreement, Kenya will ship goods to the European Union duty-free with quotas. To shows up exports to the European Union, the government says it will extend the tax breaks at the special processing zones to attract more investments in the manufacturing sector. An additional 5 special economic zones have been gazetted as the government scales up its manufacturing activities. Industrialization Principal Secretary Juma Mohwana says the government is planning to incentivize the textile industry to attract more investment into the sector.
As a country, we need to put our ideas together. We need to put our house in order because the next industrial revolution is for Africa. And Kenya, we don't just want to manufacture for ourselves. As I've said, we are positioning ourselves as a gateway to Africa. We want to make goods for Africa.
Kenya is planning to increase textile exports to the EU and the US to 153 billion shillings in the next 2 years from the current 83 billion shillings. Frederick Moki for Lunchtime News.